When plants start to flower, this is the stage that I slow down the most because during blooms, plants don't need to be pushed, they need to be supported. And my favorite fertilizer during flower blooms isn't strong, flashy, or fast. It's gentle, it's reliable, and it works with the plant, not against it. My favorite base during flowering is liquid seaweed, sometimes paired with a low nitrogen potassium focused feed. I love seaweed because it supports plant stress, it supports flower retention, and encourages stronger blooms, and it helps the plant cope with heat and wind. It doesn't force growth, it strengthens what's already happening. The main reason I use it during blooms is that flowering plants are very sensitive. Stress at this stage will always result in dropped flowers. So why do I avoid high nitrogen during flowering? Once the flowers appear, I stop heavy nitrogen feeding. Too much nitrogen during blooms pushes leaf growth, weakens flowers, reduces fruit set, and causes the flowers to drop. So I follow a simple rule. If I want flowers and fruit, don't feed for leaves. So how do I apply it? I keep it very light. Diluted liquid seaweed applied to the soil, not the leaves, once every 2 to 3 weeks. I always water it first if the soil is dry. So why does this matter? Gentle, consistent feeding keeps the flowers stable and productive at all times. So here's why this works so well. This approach works beautifully for vegetables in bloom, fruit trees flowering, tomatoes, cucumbers, and melons, herbs that bolt easily, and flowers that drop under stress. It's especially helpful during times of heat waves, during times with windy weather, and seasonal transitions. So what am I watching out for during the flowering? I watch out for flower drop, leaf color, soil moisture, and insect activity. If flowers stay on, the feeding is right. Flowering isn't the time to rush. It's a moment where the plant is deciding, can I carry this fruit? Can I finish this cycle? My favorite fertilizer during blooms doesn't shout at the plant. It reassures it. And when you support flowers gently, the harvest usually follows. If you enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have an amazing, great day. All the best.